Tech stocks. They're the rock stars of the investment world. Why? Because they offer the potential for explosive growth. But like any good investment, you need to know what you're getting into. This isn't about throwing darts at a board, it's about understanding the forces that drive tech companies and the risks involved. We're going to break it all down for you so you can make informed decisions. Ready to dive in? Let's go. Not all tech is created equal. Some sectors are growing faster and hotter than others. Think artificial intelligence, the brains behind everything from self-driving cars to personalized medicine. Then there's cloud computing, the backbone of the internet, storing and processing massive amounts of data. Cybersecurity is another booming sector, protecting our digital lives from hackers and cyber attacks. And let's not forget renewable energy, the future of power generation, and biotech, revolutionizing healthcare with cutting-edge treatments. These are the areas where innovation is happening at lightning speed. Tech doesn't exist in a vacuum. It's deeply intertwined with global politics. Trade policies can make or break a company's ability to import components or sell products overseas. Regulations can either stifle innovation or foster it. Political instability in a key manufacturing region can disrupt supply chains, and international collaboration can lead to groundbreaking advancements. The point is, you can't ignore the geopolitical landscape when investing in tech. Now for the reality check. Tech investing isn't all sunshine and rainbows. While the allure of high returns and groundbreaking innovations can be tempting, it's crucial to understand the inherent risks involved. Tech investing comes with its fair share of risks. First up, market volatility. The tech sector is notorious for its unpredictable nature. Stock prices can soar to new heights one day and plummet the next, driven by a myriad of factors. Tech stocks are known for their wild swings, driven by news cycles, earnings reports, and investor sentiment. A single piece of news can send shockwaves through the market, causing dramatic price changes. Then, there are regulatory challenges. Governments around the world are grappling with how to regulate emerging technologies, creating uncertainty for businesses. New regulations can be introduced with little warning, impacting company operations and profitability. Regulatory changes can be a double-edged sword. While they aim to protect consumers and ensure fair competition, they can also stifle innovation and create barriers for new entrants. And of course, there's the ever-present threat of technological obsolescence. In the fast-paced world of technology, staying ahead of the curve is a constant challenge. Companies must continuously innovate to avoid being left behind. What's cutting edge today could be outdated tomorrow. The rapid pace of technological advancement means that products and services can quickly become obsolete, forcing companies to adapt or risk becoming irrelevant. Finally, let's not forget about competition. The tech landscape is fiercely competitive, with companies constantly vying for market share. New startups emerge regularly, challenging established players and pushing the boundaries of innovation. The tech industry is a battleground where only the most innovative and adaptable companies thrive. Staying ahead requires not just cutting-edge technology, but also strategic thinking and the ability to navigate an ever-changing landscape. Section 5. Smart investing, your key takeaways. So what have we learned? Investing in tech can be lucrative, but it requires careful consideration. You need to understand the high-growth areas, the impact of geopolitics, and the inherent risks involved. Stay informed, do your research, and don't be afraid to seek advice from financial professionals. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the fast-paced world of tech investing. Now let's dive deeper into those exciting high-growth sectors. Section 6. Artificial intelligence, the brains behind the future. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing the world as we know it. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is revolutionizing industries and creating incredible opportunities for investors. Imagine a world where machines can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make decisions faster and more accurately than humans. That's the power of AI. Companies at the forefront of AI research and development are poised for significant growth in the coming years. Section 7. Cloud computing, powering the digital world. In today's fast-paced digital age, the demand for efficient and reliable data management has never been higher. Cloud computing has become the backbone of the modern internet, revolutionizing the way we handle and process information. It provides a seamless and scalable solution for managing vast amounts of data. It allows businesses to store and access data and applications over the internet, enabling them to operate with greater flexibility and efficiency. Employees can access critical information from anywhere in the world, using any device. This eliminates the need for expensive hardware and IT infrastructure, reducing both initial capital expenditure and ongoing maintenance costs. Traditional IT setups often require significant investment in physical servers and dedicated IT staff. Think of it like renting computing power instead of owning it. Just as renting a car can be more cost-effective than buying one, renting computing resources allows businesses to pay only for what they use. This shift to the cloud has created a massive market for cloud service providers, who offer a range of services from data storage to advanced analytics. These providers are constantly innovating to meet the growing demands of their clients. Offering scalable and cost-effective solutions for businesses of all sizes, cloud services have leveled the playing field. Small startups can now compete with large enterprises by leveraging the same powerful tools and resources. As more and more companies embrace cloud computing, they are discovering new ways to collaborate and innovate. Teams can work together in real time, regardless of their physical location, leading to increased productivity and creativity. The growth potential in this sector remains enormous. With advancements in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and big data analytics, the future of cloud computing looks incredibly promising. As technology continues to evolve, the cloud will undoubtedly play a crucial role in shaping the digital landscape. Section 8, Cybersecurity, Guardians of the Digital Realm. In our increasingly digital world, cybersecurity is more critical than ever. With cyber attacks becoming more sophisticated and frequent, businesses and individuals alike are investing heavily in protecting their data and systems. This has fueled the rapid growth of the cybersecurity industry, encompassing everything from antivirus software to threat intelligence and incident response services. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, the demand for robust cybersecurity solutions will only continue to rise. Section 9. Renewable energy, the green tech revolution. Climate change is one of the most pressing challenges of our time, and renewable energy is a key part of the solution. Solar, wind, hydroelectric, and geothermal energy are rapidly replacing fossil fuels, driven by government incentives, technological advancements, and growing environmental awareness. Companies involved in the manufacturing, installation, and operation of renewable energy systems are well positioned to capitalize on this global shift towards a cleaner and more sustainable future. Section 10. Biotech, Advancing Healthcare Through Technology. Biotechnology is revolutionizing healthcare, offering groundbreaking treatments and therapies for a wide range of diseases. From gene editing to personalized medicine, biotech companies are pushing the boundaries of scientific innovation, developing life-saving drugs and medical devices. This sector is known for its high research and development costs, but the potential rewards for investors are equally significant. As our understanding of human biology deepens and new technologies emerge, the biotech sector is poised for continued growth and innovation. Section 11. The Future of Tech Investing. In this chapter, we delve into the exciting and ever-changing world of technology investments. The world of tech investing is dynamic and ever-evolving. With each passing day, new innovations and breakthroughs are introduced, creating a landscape that is both challenging and full of opportunities. New technologies emerge, market trends shift, and geopolitical factors continue to shape the landscape. From artificial intelligence and blockchain to renewable energy and biotechnology, the range of investment opportunities is vast and varied. However, one thing remains constant: the potential for significant returns. The tech sector has historically provided some of the highest returns on investment, and this trend shows no signs of slowing down. By staying informed about high-growth areas, understanding the impact of geopolitics, and carefully navigating the inherent risks, investors can position themselves to capitalize on the transformative power of technology. It's crucial to keep an eye on emerging markets and the regulatory environment, as these can significantly impact investment outcomes. Remember, the future belongs to those who dare to innovate, adapt, and embrace the possibilities that lie ahead. As we move forward, the ability to anticipate and respond to changes in the tech landscape will be key to successful investing. Embrace the future, stay curious, and be ready to seize the opportunities that come your way.